Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix temporarily logged PayPal account. You might find that your account has been temporarily logged. This typically happens due to PayPal's security feature that automatically locks your account after several incorrect login attempts. It's a common safeguard to protect your account from unauthorized access if you have recently been attempting to log in multiple times without success. Then this might be the reason for the lock. If this is the case, it's recommended to wait for about an hour to allow the system to reset. In the meantime, you can explore the option of changing your password for added security. Okay, now I'm gonna go and open my PayPal account, and now I'll let you show you exactly how we can change your password. Okay, now first you'll have to click on this cogwheel icon on the top right side. And once you click on it, you have to go to account. Okay, once you go to account, if you want to change the password, you can talk directly to the support and they will tell you exactly how to do so. Okay, I'm gonna go to security. Then you can simply click on password, click on update. You'll have to provide your old password, then you will have to enter the new password that you would like to use. Okay, this is the case, and this is how you can actually use it. You can set up to step verification. You can add auto login. You can add security questions if you need to do so. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.